The sun is setting. We got that golden hour. We have beautiful architecture. I'm kind of lost at words because this place just looks so gorgeous. Hello, hello. What a beautiful smile. Oh, wow. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Honest, 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 honest. Ready? 1, 2, 3. What's up, Paul?
Hey, where are you going?
I'm just down the street.
Yeah, just say, you're a
Just down.
vlogger?
Yeah, I am a vlogger. What's your name, Paul?
My name is Makoy.
McCoy,
He's
the
my
man,
friend.
the legend. That's your friend?
Yeah, yes, my friend. By right.
Where's your friend? Hello, Paul. Hello, hello. How are you? Orange juice? How much? How much? 10 pesos. 10. I take one? All right, let's do it. I was just going for a walk and then we got invited for orange juice. Why not? He brought the customers. He brought the customer. That's a good friend right there. All right. You want one? You want juice?
No, no, no problem.
You sure? You sure? Okay, thank you, Paul. Thank you. Salamat. Oh, wow. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Honest, 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 honest. Very honest people, right? Salamat, kuya. Salamat. Salamat po. Salamat. Let's have this orange juice. I've actually never tried these type of orange juices in Manila before, so. Oh, it's not orange juice. This is cantaloupe. Yeah.
Where are you from?
I'm from Canada. You're from Manila?
Yeah.
Manila, Manila.
Yeah,
Hello, hello, maganda. Hello. Maganda, maganda. This one's guapa.
What's your channel?
Travel Chronicles.
Okay.
You're gonna be in it. Hello, hello, babies. Hello, hello. What a beautiful smile. Lovely people, man. Let's drink this up. I'm gonna tell you the plan after we drink this up. Very refreshing. Amazing. We're gonna get the.
Hey, good job,
Thank
sir.
you.
Have a
Salamat.
nice day, yeah.
Salamat,
Have
kuya.
a nice day.
Okay. Thank you, miss. Bye bye. Hello. You too. Take care. Bye. Take care. All right. Lovely start to the vlog. So, woo, loud, 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 loud. All right, we're gonna get away from the honking. So, guys, the plan for tonight is we're gonna go check out this place called Pasig River Esplanade. Apparently, they did a whole sort of reinvention to it. They rebuilt it into something brand new, and all of you guys told me I had to go check it out. So right now it's about 5 in the evening, and we're gonna kind of go catch the sundown of that beautiful place. And we're also gonna see what kind of adventures we get ourselves into. Thank you. It's always chaotic in Southeast Asia. Anywhere, but that's the fun of it, the madness. Google tells me another 9 more minutes. I think we're headed in the right direction. Just a little bit down there. Maybe we might ask somebody, because I don't want to get lost and I really want to see the sunset from the Esplanade.
Where are you going?
I'm going to Pasig River, brother.
Oh.
Pasig River Esplanade?
Park?
Pasig
New
River.
park?
Yeah, new
Yeah,
park.
yeah,
down
over
there.
there, yeah.
Okay.
And your trees, right side.
Make a right side.
Yeah.
Salamat, kuya. What are you guys selling here?
Yeah.
You guys are selling that? Let's see what you have.
Water.
You have water.
drinks.
You have drinks.
Yeah, there.
What kind of drinks?
Yeah.
Okay, that. You have chips?
Yeah.
Okay, how much for
10 peso.
10 peso? Oh,
Yeah.
very good price. Okay, you know what? I buy something.
Yeah.
Let me see. You have cheese it? Okay, I buy this. I buy. Cheese it.
How many?
Just one, brother.
Oh, okay.
Just one.
And something's water.
I have water. What's your name, brother?
Mark.
Mark.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you,
Where you
kuya. I'm from Canada.
Yes, Canada.
You were from Manila?
Yeah.
My man.
And my province, your Pampanga.
Pampanga?
Yeah.
That's a province.
Yeah, my province.
Oh.
Center and stay in Manila.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
They speak Pasaya over there?
Yeah.
Okay. Salamat, kuya. Have a great day. Thank you so much. Travel Chronicles.
Yeah.
I write it down?
Yeah.
Okay, I write it down. Thank
Where
you.
stay in Manila?
I stay Mandaluyong.
Oh, Mandaluyong.
Mandaluyong,
Oh,
yes.
Where's Mandaluyong? Bonnie.
Around Bonnie Shaw.
Shaw
Yeah,
Boulevard.
Yeah, around there. Yeah.
Your condo?
Condo.
What's your name? Your condo?
I know where it is. I just don't remember the name.
Yeah.
Salamat, kuya.
Okay,
Thank
nice
you very
meeting
much.
you.
Thank you,
Okay.
kuya. Take care. Okay, let's run. The sun is setting. We got that golden hour. And we got a little bit of chips. Whoa, check out this place. Kind of gives you like a Roman feel, right? I can't believe I've never actually been here. I don't know where this place is. Hello, ate. Hello. Maganda lady. Maganda, maganda. Hello. Hello. Yes. Yeah, absolutely. Okay, take picture with all the beautiful ladies. I'm in heaven right now. Okay, with your camera. I take picture.
And you also your camera, huh?
And okay, sure. Ready? Turn this around. Oh, how do you turn this around?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Ready? 1, 2, 3. We got it? Magana, thank you so much. I go to Esplanade. Sure. I take a picture. Here you go. I take a picture. Now I'm the cameraman as well. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Maganda. Okay. Here you go. Okay. Salamat. My name is PK. PK.
Where you came from?
Thank you. You look Maganda. I come from Canada.
Ah, Canada.
Canada.
She came from Canada.
Everybody from Canada. Okay, I go
Thank
to
you so
Esplanade.
much.
Thank you. Have a great day.
Yes.
God bless. Okay,
Are you vlogger?
I am
Are you?
vlogger.
What's your name, vlogger?
Travel Chronicles.
What?
Travel Chronicles.
Travel.
Yes, you guys are gonna be in it. Welcome to the
good
vlog.
luck. Yeah.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye.
Eventful day. It's turning out to be It's turning out to be a great day. Anyways, guys, I can't believe I've never seen this place before. We're definitely gonna have to come back at some point and do a little vlog over here as well, but trying to get to Esplanade. Guys, we're definitely in the right place over here. I see a lot of people. I see vendors this side, pink popcorn on that side, ice cream over here. We're gonna have to get something later, but wow, check this area out. I mean, I guess that's why it's so busy, right? Because they kind of rejuvenated the whole place. You have the beautiful lampposts. You guys know I love lampposts. And then they built all this area out. Hello. How are you? Kamusta kayo? Good? Mabuti. Okay lang. Anyways, wow. This place looks absolutely beautiful. Look at that. The architecture alone, right? I bet this place like lights up so good once the sun sets. You have the lampposts just literally going down. You have the beautiful railings. Nice little, I would say nice big walkway for people to go on. That's just this side. I think it literally spans down from one side to the other. Wow. And then you have the Pasig River. Hello. Kamusta kayo? Mabuti? Lovely people, man. Anyways, check this out. I think what they did is they cleaned up this entire river, built this whole thing out. You got the garden over there. Let's check out the garden. Hello. You have, of course, beautiful garden. Wow, and the flowers are just blooming. Super green, super lush. Oh man. Oh wow, I didn't even see this. You have statues. Look at this. You have a female over here with a little light bulb, and then you have the male on that side right there. And this just spans all the way down. I am so curious to see what this place looks like at night. And then this is the look down there. The sun is setting. We got that golden hour. We have beautiful architecture. This place looks amazing. And then there was light. Guys, I'm gonna start off by starting from one end of the place, and we're just gonna make our way down. And we're kind of gonna wing the talking. So you could see it's all lit up over here on one side. It's lit up on the other side. You got the fountains over here changing colors. Lots of people taking pictures too, right? Check out the fountains up close. Oh my God, so gorgeous. And then even the strip of lights all the way on the other side as well. Let's go down. Let's see what's down there. so many people taking pictures, videos, because this is the place to be, right? Shout out to the person who actually made this happen, because they created something really beautiful for the people. And then we also have another cameraman over there doing a live action shot. Look at this. Even the palm trees are lit up. Palm trees are lit up. The plants are lit up. And it looks 10 times better at night. So this all looked really beautiful in the afternoon when we came in, but it looks even better at night. Check this out. Look at this. The little boy and the little girl, fully lit up. Absolutely beautiful. And then, one of the other best parts about this is kind of the skyline. You got the skyline lit up with this whole bridge. I'm kind of lost at words because this place just looks so gorgeous. Like, look at it. You feel like you're in some sort of movie. I know I've said this once, but I'm gonna say it again. Shout out to the people who took this project on, because you could see this place is packed and people have some sort of joy to come to, right? They come with their families, they come with their friends. It's like a little chilling area, and not just any chilling area, it's like a beautiful chilling area.